Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
It's not fair to kill a thirsty creature near the water.
Do you see any fairness in the burning desert? And today, you're alive thanks to Muhammad's religion.
How will you hope for your Lord's mercy when you don't show mercy to a thirsty creature today?
He's talking about fairness to me.
Let's go, brother. We should run our errand.
I've heard that caravan is coming here from Medina. Hussein ibn Ali has sent Muslim to Kufa. Apparently, Hussein ibn Ali will come to Kufa himself too.
Has everybody sworn allegiance to Muslim? I've seen Muslim sworn allegiance to him.
So, what about our allegiance to Yazid?
Did you swear allegiance? Yes, I did.
How would you be answerable to the son of Muawiyah?
He's busy with his own job, so we'll do our own job.
Greeting to the nobleman of Kufa. Hold your tongue, man. These days, the noblemen of Kufa are those who have sworn allegiance to Muslim. It won't be long before Hussein's convoy becomes the caliph.
I don't think so. He's waiting for Ali's son.
And the other news is that they have invited us for allegiance too. What a felicity! So what are you waiting for? For you to finish eating your grapes.
Numan cannot resist Muslim. He will surrender Kufa to Muslim very easily.
How do you know that he hasn't sworn allegiance to Muslim yet? I don't think that this incompetent governor has informed Emir about this situation. It's not unlikely from such a stupid old man. What would Yazid say?
If Yazid still wants Kufa, he should appoint another man as its governor. We will inform Emir of Muslims, Yazid ibn Muawiyah, about this.
Does Ibn Sa'd think about caliph's benefits?
If Yazid loses the government of Kufa, Ibn Sa'd will lose the government of Ray too. He's concerned about his own benefits.
What will happen in the end, brother?
There are a lot of spies in the city. Nothing can be said. The governmental agents are everywhere.
The opinion and wisdom of the pious is the same as what your convoys have said and have read from your letters. Imam is the person who acts upon the book of Allah. He is fair and executes justice. You said that you didn't have an imam and needed our leadership and guidance. Now, I've dispatched my trustworthy cousin to you. If he verifies loyalty, I will hasten toward you too.
I don't know what's happening in other people's hearts, but I, Abeth ibn Abi Shoaib, swear my allegiance to you again. I hope my master, Hussein, will come sooner.
God bless you because you said what I felt in my heart. Swear to the oneness of God. Habib ibn Mazar will do the same thing.
I don't have the least doubt about your loyalty and devotion. You have been among the devoted followers of the Prophet and the faithful Shiites of Ali. Are all the people of Kufa really like you?
We have all sworn allegiance to you, Muslim.
Yes, we are with you. Kufa is with Imam. We are waiting for our master. We are waiting
Hussein.
for our
Deliver
master.
our letters
Hussein.
to Imam.
We are waiting for our master.
We'd better not stay here.
We are waiting for our master, Hussein. We are waiting for our master, Hussein.
Oh, pious and honorable people. I'll dispatch Abath ibn Abi Shoaib with your letters to Imam, so that he may come to Kufa as soon as possible.
The horse is ready, sir.
I have come here from Basra with such an illness. Our destination is Kufa. Have you forgotten? We've already been detained a lot. Kufa won't run away. I am beginning to feel that you don't want me to arrive at Kufa at all. I am thinking that if the people of Kufa recognize you, they will leave no head on your body. Don't worry about me. I know how to reach the capital safely. When you have reached Kufa, come to the governor's court. For such an ill old man, the peace of a friend's home is more suitable. I will go to the house of Hani ibn Urwa, then I'll come to visit you. I hope I am not irritating you, old man. This is Caliph's order.
What happened? Come with me. So Hussein is on his way here. We should break the news to him.
I can see a man on horseback. It's Imam who is coming.
Close the gate.
It's Imam who is coming. It's Imam who is coming, thank God. Imam has arrived. It's Imam who is coming, thank God. Imam has arrived. Imam has arrived. It's Imam who is coming, thank God. Imam has arrived. Imam is coming. The Prophet's descendant is coming.
Welcome, descendant of Prophet. Peace be upon Muhammad and his progeny. Welcome, descendant of Prophet.
Oh, descendant of the Prophet. Don't make you and I fight with each other.
O Numan, open the gate for Hussein ibn Ali.
Oh Hussein, I won't surrender the capital to you.
Open the gate. 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 Open the gate.
Don't make you and I fight with each other. If you don't open the gate, we will break it.
Open the gate. 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 Open the gate.
If you don't open the gate, we will break it. We will break it.
Open it. It's me. Ubaydullah ibn Ziyad?
He is the ambassador of Yazid.
This is not Hussein ibn Ali. He's the wicked son of Marjana. What he is doing in Kufa.
Hussein ibn Ali. He said that he would come. Where is Hussein then?
Open the gate.
We want Hussein ibn Ali.
Why has the son of Marjana come?
What is he doing in Kufa?
Why has the son of Marjana come?
Welcome.
How clumsy you are. Couldn't you manage a bunch of peasants? Stupid. Numan, assemble the people of Kufa in the mosque. I want to deliver a speech.
Yes, Amir.